Imagine waking up one morning to the news that an asteroid, carrying the force of 20 hydrogen bombs, is heading straight for Earth. Picture a supervolcano so powerful that it could wipe out most life on the planet. What if I told you that the last total solar eclipse in human history is just a matter of time? Life as we know it is on a countdown, and honestly I'm relieved that we won't be around for most of it. Meet Bennu, the asteroid that scientists fear the most. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory tracks thousands of asteroids, but Bennu ranks at the very top of the threat list. And guess what? It's headed towards us right now. The odds of Bennu colliding with Earth stand at 1 in 1,750, a probability that might not sound alarming at first. But here's the real kicker. For 30 years, Earth and Bennu's orbits will be dangerously synchronized, offering 8 different opportunities for catastrophe. And in 2182, it will make its closest approach, just 750,000 kilometers away. If Bennu does hit Earth, the collision will release energy equal to 1,200 megatons of TNT. To put that in perspective, that's 22 times more powerful than the largest nuclear weapon ever detonated. For decades, scientists have been studying Bennu to understand its composition. In 2016, OSIRIS-REx was sent to the asteroid, collected samples, and returned them to Earth just last year. Inside, organic molecules, unknown materials, potential clues to the origins of life itself. But will knowing what Bennu is made of help us stop it? The Sahara Desert, vast, dry, lifeless. But what if I told you that one day, this very place will turn into a lush green paradise? It's not science fiction. Every 20,000 years, Earth's axial precession causes the Sahara to flip between desert and savanna. Right now, we are in a dry phase. But in just 13,000 years, Earth will wobble again, and the Sahara will transform into a land of rivers and forests. This has happened before. It will happen again. The only question is, will anyone be around to witness it? Now, let's take a journey into the far future. Imagine this. Elon Musk's great-great-grandchild is launched into deep space to colonize another planet. Their ship malfunctions. They're stranded. Generations pass as they struggle to survive, slowly rebuilding the ship. 1,000 years later, their descendants finally return to Earth. But there's a problem. They try to communicate, but no one understands them. Did you know that this was once English? This text from the year 616 AD is unrecognizable today. And in just 1,000 years, our language will evolve so drastically that it might not even exist. Imagine returning home, only to find that Earth feels like an alien planet. The moon is slowly drifting away from Earth, at a rate of almost 2 inches per year. That might not sound like much, but in 650 million years, this will result in something truly heartbreaking. The last total solar eclipse ever. Yes, after that, the moon will be too far away to completely cover the sun. Future generations will never see what we take for granted today. But let's go even further. In 1 million years, a star will pass dangerously close to our solar system. Meet Gliese 710, a rogue star that is heading straight toward us. When it arrives, it will be so close that it will shine as bright as Venus in the night sky. Worse still, it might disturb the Oort cloud, sending a barrage of comets toward Earth, triggering a cosmic rain of destruction. But hey, at least it will look beautiful while it happens. If you think that's wild, wait until you hear about supervolcanoes. There are 20 supervolcanoes scattered across Earth. One eruption could trigger a volcanic winter, block out the sun, and bring global civilization to its knees. Take Yellowstone, one of the deadliest volcanoes on the planet. If it erupts, molten lava will obliterate everything within hundreds of kilometers. There's no escape. The skies will darken. The air will turn toxic. And the aftermath? A global catastrophe that lasts for centuries. The good news? The odds of this happening in our lifetime are only 2%. The bad news? That number isn't zero. And then, in 1.5 billion years, Earth's tectonic plates will stop moving. No more mountains. No more earthquakes. The planet will slowly erode into a flat, lifeless world. Oceans might overtake everything. The planet could become an endless sea. A cold, alien world. Unrecognizable. I'm just glad that we won't be here to see it. But before we end, here's a question for you. If you could send one message to an alien civilization, what would it be? Because guess what? We've already done it. The Arecibo message is on its way to the stars, and in 25,000 years, someone, or something, might finally hear it. Comment below with your message to the stars. Maybe, just maybe, the universe is listening.